Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we are going to make those two adorable Mr. and Mrs. Mickey Baubles. If you're already on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to visit my blog. On the description below, you can find a link to my blog and written pattern for these two beauties. So for these two beauties, we will need some red and black double knit yarn, tiny bit of white and tiny bit of orange double knit yarn. As well, we will need two clear baubles. We will need scissors, tapestry needle and 2.5mm crochet hook. This pattern is quite easy to follow. It mainly consists of single crochets and double crochets. So we're going to start from making two identical baubles, and then at the end we're going to separate them to a Mrs. and Mr. Okay, then let's start making our baubles. We are going to start with red yarn and a magic circle. Let's do our magic circle. We have a magic circle, and our round number 1 will start with chain of 2, 1, 1 and 2, and this chain of 2 will count as 1 double crochet, and next step will be 8 double crochets. Let's do 8 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We have a chain of 2 and 8 double crochets, and that counts for us as 9 stitches in round number 1. And we're going to finish our round number 1 with slip stitch in the second chain from the beginning of our round. As we started it with chain of 2 stitches, we're gonna finish it off with slip stitch in the second stitch. And that's our round number 1 is complete. We are moving to round number 2. We're going to start our round number 2 with chain of 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and then double crochet in the same stitch. And next step will be 8 double crochets increases. This chain of 2 counts as 1 double crochet. We did another double crochet, and now we have 8 stitches remaining. We need to do 8 double crochet increases, and at the end of our round number 2 we're going to have 18 stitches in a round. So let's do our 8 double crochet increases. We finished our round number 2, and at the end of our round number 2 we have 18 stitches in total, and we're going to finish our round number 2 in the second chain from the beginning of our round. As we started our round number 2 with chain of 2 stitches, we're going to finish it off with slip stitch in the second chain from the beginning of our round, and that's how 2 rounds look now. We are moving to round number 3, and we're going to start our round number 3 again with chain of 2 stitches, which will count as 1 double crochet, and then next step will be double crochet increase in next stitch. It will be 2 double crochets. Until the end of our round number 3, we are going to follow the sequence of double crochet in the next stitch and double crochet increase in the following stitch. And we're going to repeat that sequence for 8 times. Let's do first sequence together. Double crochet in the next stitch and double crochet increase in the following stitch. 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Repeat the same sequence for 7 more times till the end of our round number 3. We finished 3 rounds of our Mickey bauble, and at the end of our round number 3 we have 27 stitches in a round. And we're going to finish this round same as we did before. Slip stitch in the second chain from the beginning of our round. And that's our 3 rounds are complete. We are moving to round number 4. And we're going to start our round number 4 with chain of 2. That counts as 1 double crochet. Then we're going to do double crochet in the next stitch and increase in the following stitch. Now we're going to follow the sequence till the end of our round, which will be double crochet in next 2 stitches and double crochet increase in the following stitch. We're going to repeat that sequence for 8 times, and at the end of our round number 4 we're going to have 36 stitches. Let's do first sequence together. Double crochet in next 2 stitches and double crochet increase in the following stitch. So let's do double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and increase in the following stitch. Repeat the same sequence for 7 more times till the end of our round number 4. We came to the end of round number 4, and at the end of our round number 4 we have 36 stitches, and we're going to finish it off with slip stitch in the second chain from the beginning of our round. Now we are moving to round number 5. We're going to start our round number 5 with chain of 2, which counts as 1 double crochet, then double crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and then double crochet increase. Now, till the end of our round, we're going to follow the sequence of double crochet in next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and then increase in the following stitch. We're going to repeat that sequence for 8 times, and at the end of our round number 5, we're going to have 45 stitches. Let's do first sequence together. Double crochet in next 3 stitches and increase in the following stitch. So double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, and double crochet increase in the following stitch, 1 and 2. Repeat the same sequence for 7 more times till the end of our round number 5. We came to the end of our round number 5, and now we have 45 stitches in our round, and we're going to finish this round with slip stitch in the second chain from the beginning of our round. So let's do our slip stitch in the second chain, and we finished 5 rounds. We are moving to round number 6. We're going to start our round number 6 with chain of 2, 1 and 2, which counts as double crochet. Then we're going to do double crochet in next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet increase in the following stitch, 2 stitches in the same stitch. Now we're going to follow the sequence of double crochet in next 4 stitches and then double crochet increase in the following stitch. We're going to repeat that sequence for 8 times, and at the end of our round number 6 we're going to have 54 stitches. Let's do first sequence together. Double crochet in 4 stitches and then increase in the following stitch. So double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, and then double crochet increase in the following stitch. Repeat the same sequence for 7 more times till the end of our round number 6, and our round number 6 will be the last round when we're going to increase. We came to the end of our round number 6, and at the end of our round number 6 we have 54 stitches in a round, and we're going to finish our round number 6 with slip stitch to the second chain from the beginning of our round, and that 6 rounds are complete. Now we are moving to round number 7, and we're going to start our round number 7 with chain of 2, which counts as 1 double crochet, and in round number 7 we're just going to do 1 double crochet in each stitch. It will be 53 double crochets in total, but as we have chain of 2 which counts as 1 double crochet, we will have 54 stitches. So let's do 1 double crochet in each stitch, 53 double crochets. came to the end of our round number 7, where we did only one double crochet in each stitch, and at the end of our round number 7 we have 54 stitches in a round. We're going to finish it off with slip stitch in the second chain from the beginning of our round, and we're going to move to our round number 8. Round number 8 will be last round when we're going to work in red color, and in round number 8 we're going to do only single crochets, not double crochets. We're going to work in back loops only. If you look closer, we have a front loop and we have a back loop. So we're going to work in back loops only. We're going to start with chain of 1, and we're going to do one single crochet in each stitch, back loops only, till the end of our round. And we're going to have at the end of our round number 8 54 stitches. So remember, one single crochet in each stitch, back loops only. So as you see, I'm going to not front, back loop only, like that. Let's do a few stitches together. And then you have your front loops left here. They're sticking out a bit slightly. So follow the same till the end of our round number 8, one single crochet in each stitch, back loops only. We finished 8 rounds so far, and we still have 54 stitches in a round. As we did back loops only in our round number 8, you can see our front loops are sticking out a bit. Now let's get our bauble and see how it looks. That's how it fits. Fits perfectly. Now we're going to move to round number 9 and to our black yarn. So let's cut red yarn off. And let's attach our black yarn. And we are moving to round number 9. Our round number 9 and round number 10 will be the same, and it will start with chain of 2 stitches and one double crochet in each stitch, 53 double crochets, and as this chain of 2 counts as one double crochet, so we will have 54 double crochets in a round. So pause the video and complete next 2 rounds, round number 9 and round number 10, as one double crochet in each stitch. Don't forget, each round will start with chain of 2 and each round will finish with slip stitch in the second chain from the beginning of our round. So pause the video, complete next 2 rounds and come back to this video when you are done, and we're going to move to our round number 11. We finished 10 rounds. That's how our bauble looks now, and we still have 54 stitches in our round. As in last 2 rounds we only did one double crochet in each stitch. We are moving to round number 11, and in round number 11 we are going to start to decrease. We're going to start our round number 11 with chain of 2 stitches. Then we're going to do double crochet in next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to do double crochet decrease. Going to put hook in one stitch, in another stitch, and going to do one big double crochet decrease. And now till the end of our round we're going to follow the sequence of double crochet in next 4 stitches and then decrease in the following stitch. We're going to repeat the same sequence for 8 times, and at the end of our round number 11 we're going to have 45 stitches. Let's do first sequence together. Double crochet in next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and decrease. Repeat the same sequence for 7 more times till the end of our round. We came to the end of our round number 11, and we're going to finish it off with slip stitch in the second chain from the beginning of our round. Now, as we're starting to decrease more and more, I'm going to make it a bit more complicated. I'm gonna get our bauble and I'm gonna put it inside, and we're gonna crochet it with bauble inside. Otherwise we won't be able to fit it in later. And now we are going to move to our round number 12, where we're going to decrease again, but we need to crochet with bauble inside. So we're going to start our round number 12 with chain of 2, 1 and 2, which counts as 1 double crochet, and then we're going to do double crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and then decrease in the following stitch. Now we're going to follow the sequence of double crochet in next 3 stitches and decrease in the following stitch. We're going to repeat this sequence for 8 times till the end of our round number 12, and at the end of our round number 12 we're going to have 36 stitches. So let's do first sequence together. Double crochet in next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and then decrease in the following stitch. Repeat the same sequence for 7 more times till the end of our round number 12. We came to the end of our round number 12, and we are going to finish it off with slip stitch in the second chain from beginning of our round. So let's get into our slip stitch. And at the end of our round number 12 we have 36 stitches. We are moving to round number 13, where we're going to decrease again. We are going to start our round number 13 with chain of 2, 1 and 2, which is count as 1 double crochet, and then we're going to do double crochet in next stitch, and decrease in the following stitch. And now till the end of our round number 13, we're going to follow the sequence of double crochet in next 2 stitches and then double crochet decrease. We are going to repeat that sequence for 8 times, and at the end of our round number 13 we are going to have 27 stitches in a round. So let's do first sequence together. Double crochet in next 2 stitches, double crochet 1 and double crochet 2, and then double crochet decrease. Repeat the same sequence for 7 more times till the end of our round number 13. We finished 13 rounds of our bauble, and now we are going to finish our round with slip stitch in the second chain from the beginning of our round. It's getting a bit hard to work with our project. No, I didn't get slip stitch. That's it. 13 rounds is done, and we are moving to round number 14. We're going to start our round number 14 with chain of 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and then we're going to follow the sequence till the end of our round, double crochet decrease, and then double crochet in next stitch. We're going to repeat that for 9 times. So we're going to do double crochet decrease, and then double crochet in next stitch. Repeat the same sequence till the end of our round 14. We finished 14 rounds, and at the end of our round number 14 we have 18 stitches in a round, and we are going to finish this round with slip stitch in the second chain from the beginning of our round. And now we are moving to round number 15. In round number 15 we are going to decrease again, and we're going to start it with chain of 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and then double crochet decrease for 9 times. We finished our round number 15, where we did 9 decreases, 1 decrease in each stitch. Now we are moving to the last round, which will be round number 16, and we're just going to do single crochet in next stitch and decrease in the following stitch. It will be very hard to finish the end. And decrease. You can repeat it till the end of our round, or I actually will finish it now because our gap is very small. So I'm gonna cut the yarn off. And just finish it with slip stitch. And that's one of our baubles is complete. Now you have to pause the video and make one more bauble, because we will need 2 baubles, one for Mr. and one for Mrs. Mickey. So pause the video, complete one more bauble, and then come back to this video where we're going to move to next step, which will be making our ears. We're going to make ears now. In total we will need to make 4 ears out of black double knit yarn, 2 ears for each bauble. So we're going to start our ears with magic circle. Let's do magic circle. And round number 1 will be 6 single crochets into magic circle. So let's do our 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now let's pull yarn in a proper circle. We are moving to round number 2, and in round number 2 we are going to do increase in each stitch. It will be 6 increases in total, and at the end of our round number 2 we're going to have 12 stitches. So let's do increase in each stitch, 6 increases in total. We finished 2 rounds of our ears and we have 12 stitches in our round. Before moving to round number 3, I am going to place our stitch marker, which is yarn in different color, and that will help us to keep track of beginning of our round. In round number 3, we're going to follow the sequence of single crochet in next stitch and increase in the following stitch. We're going to repeat the sequence for 6 times, and at the end of our round number 3 we're going to have 18 stitches. So let's do first sequence together. Single crochet in 1 stitch and increase in the following stitch. Repeat the same sequence till the end of our round number 3. We finished 3 rounds of our ear, and at the end of our round number 3 we have 18 stitches in a round. We are moving to round number 4, and in round number 4 we are going to follow this sequence: single crochet in next 2 stitches and then increase. We're going to repeat the sequence for 6 times, and at the end of our round number 4 we're going to have 24 stitches. Let's do first sequence together. Single crochet in next 2 stitches and increase. 1, 2, and increase. Repeat the same sequence till the end of our round number 4. We finished 4 rounds of our ear, and at the end of our round number 4 we have 24 stitches in a round. We are moving to round number 5, and it will be our last round when we're going to increase, and we're going to follow the sequence in round number 5, single crochet in next 3 stitches and then increase. We're going to repeat that sequence for 6 times, and at the end of our round number 5 we're going to have 30 stitches. So let's do first sequence together, single crochet in next 3 stitches and increase. 1, 2, 3, and then increase. What's happening there? Repeat the same sequence till the end of our round number 5. We finished 5 rounds of our ear, and round number 5 was the last round where we did increase, and we're moving to round number 6. Round number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, in total 5 rounds, will be only one single crochet in each stitch, 30 stitches in a round. So pause the video, complete 5 rounds of one single crochet in each stitch, 30 stitches in a round, and then come back to this video where we're going to move to round 11. We finished 10 rounds of our ear. For last 5 rounds we did only one single crochet in each stitch, and now we are moving to round number 11, and in round number 11 we are going to decrease. We're going to follow the sequence of single crochet in next 3 stitches and then decrease. We're going to repeat that sequence for 6 times, and at the end of our round number 11 we're going to have 24 stitches. Let's do first sequence together, single crochet in next 3 stitches and decrease. 1, 2, 3, and then decrease. Repeat the same sequence till the end of our round number 11. We finished round number 11 and we have 24 stitches in our round. We are moving to round number 12, where we're going to decrease again. We're going to follow the sequence of single crochet in next 2 stitches and then decrease. We're going to repeat this sequence for 6 times, and at the end of our round number 12 we're going to have 18 stitches. Let's do first sequence together, single crochet in next 2 stitches and decrease. 1, 2, and then decrease. Repeat the same sequence till the end of our round number 12. We finished round number 12, and at the end of our round number 12 we have 18 stitches. We are moving to round number 13, which will be our last round, and in round number 13 we're going to do one single crochet in each stitch, 18 stitches in total. finished making our ear, and round number 13 was the last round. I can remove my stitch marker, and that's how my ear looks like. I'm gonna put it together, and I'm gonna slip stitch through the both sides. So I'm slip stitching both sides together. We finished one of our ears. We can cut our yarn off, but we need to leave long tail for sewing. Gonna pull yarn through the last stitch, and we have one ear. As we need 4 ears in total, you will need to pause the video and make 3 more ears now, and come back to this video when you have your ears ready. We have finished making our 4 ears, and now let's get our baubles and attach ears to our baubles. Each ear will go approximately 2 rows down from the top, approximately here, one here and another one opposite to the first ear. So let's get our tapestry needle and let's start attaching. I have my ear on tapestry needle, remember, approximately 2 rows below the top, and let's attach. So our first ear is attached. Let's finish our yarn off. We have one ear ready. Now let's get our second ear. And our second ear will go opposite to the first ear. We completed our first bauble. Now pause the video and do the same to our second bauble. Attach ears to our second bauble and then come back to this video where we're going to move to our further steps. We finished attaching our ears, and that's how our Mickey baubles look now. We're going to put them aside and we're going to get our orange double knit yarn and make 2 little circles. So each circle will start with magic circle and 6 half double crochets in a circle. Let's do chain 1 and 6 half double crochet. 1, oops, I lost it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let's pull it in a circle and let's finish it with slip stitch in the first half double crochet, in the first chain. That's one circle is done. Gonna finish it off leaving tail for sewing. It will go here, and now we're going to make another one as we need to. So magic circle, chain 1 and half double crochets, 6 half double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Gonna pull it in a circle and finish it off with slip stitch in the first chain from the beginning of our round. Gonna leave tail for sewing, and we have 2 little circles. Those 2 little circles will go here a few stitches apart. So let's get our tapestry needle and attach our circles. So one circle is attached. Now let's attach another a few stitches away from the first one. And our Mr. Mickey is complete. Now we are going to move to our Mrs. Mickey. We finished doing our Mr. and now we're going to do our Mrs. So let's get another bauble. Let's get some white yarn and we're going to start on the skirt. So when we did our baubles in round number 9, we only did back loops only, and we have front loops sticking out. So we're going to attach our white yarn to these front loops anywhere you would like to. Gonna make chain 1 and we're going to follow the sequence around of our bauble, and the sequence of half double crochet in next stitch and half double crochet increase in the following stitch. So follow the sequence all around till the end of our round. Half double crochet in next stitch, one half double crochet, and then half double crochet increase in the following stitch, which means 2 half double crochets. So repeat the same sequence till the end of this round, and we're gonna finish it off. We came to the end of our round and we have nice white skirt. Now I'm going to put yarn off, finish it with slip stitch in the first stitch, I'm gonna knot these both ends together from the beginning of our round and from the end of our round. And gonna hide them inside. If they're gonna hide. That's it, we finished working on our skirt. Now we are going to make our bow. Our bow will be made out of red yarn. We're going to start with chain of 16 stitches. Let's make our chain of 16 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Now we're going to join it in a circle with slip stitch. And we're going to crochet in the circles, and we're going to make 15 rounds of 1 single crochet. So let's do first round together. 1 single crochet in 16 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. We did our first round of 1 single crochet in each stitch. Now pause the video and do 14 more rounds, 1 single crochet in each stitch, and then come back to this video. We finished 15 rounds of our bow. Now I'm going to cut yarn off, leaving quite long tail. I'm gonna pull yarn through my last stitch, and what we're going to do, we're going to take our tapestry needle and close both sides, one side and another side. So let's get our tapestry needle and let's stitch our both sides together. did one side, let's take our needle to the other side. Let's hide this end inside. And now we're gonna stitch this side. And that's main body of our bow is complete. Let's hide yarn inside and let's cut it off. Now we need to make middle part for our bow. For middle part of our bow, we're going to use same red yarn. We're going to start with chain of 11 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. And starting from the second chain, we're going to do 10 single crochets. We're going to do chain of 1 and another row of 1 single crochet in 10 stitches. Single crochet in the same stitch and 9 more stitches. We finished middle part for our bow. We're going to leave quite long tail for sewing. Going to pull yarn through our last stitch and get it on the tapestry needle. We're gonna get our bow and put this part in the middle of our bow. And let's sew both ends together. And that's how our bow looks like. Let's hide this yarn inside. And let's get our Mickey Bauble. We have our misses and we're going to attach our bow to the top of our head, somewhere in between our ears. Looks pretty stable to me. Let's finish it off. And we finished our Mrs. Mickey. Previously we finished our Mr. Mickey and our project is complete. our Mr. and Mrs. Mickey Baubles. That's how they look. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Remember, you can find the link for my blog and written pattern for this tutorial in the description below. And I hope to see you in my next video tutorials. See you soon. Look at them, they are so pretty.